You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is how to write the number 4 in Roman numerals. How to pronounce it? Well, it's an I and a V, and it's just pronounced number 4. Essentially, the V stands for the number 5 and the I for 1. Because the I is before the V, it means that it's subtracted from 5. So it's 5 minus 1. If the I was after the V, it would be 6, okay? But because it's before, it's number 4. That's how you write the number 4 in Roman numerals. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.